Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the call volume problem on your iPhone XR. Make a test call and press the side volume buttons while the call is active. Observe whether the on-screen slider moves and the sound changes. Next, switch to speakerphone and then insert wired headphones to compare audio paths. Inspect the earpiece for visible debris by shining a light into the mesh. Finally, check Do Not Disturb, Bluetooth connections, and any volume limit settings in Sound Preferences. Begin software fixes by restarting your iPhone XR and then testing call volume again. If sound still seems low, update iOS to the latest version available in Settings. Next, go to Settings, Sound, and toggle volume limit features and accessibility audio options. If problems persist, disable Bluetooth and Do Not Disturb to eliminate audio routing conflicts. As a final software step, choose Reset All Settings to restore defaults without erasing your data. Then retest call audio during a live call. If software steps do not fix call volume, perform cautious hardware checks on your iPhone XR. Power off the phone and use a soft, dry brush to remove visible debris from the earpiece mesh. Use short bursts of low-pressure compressed air while holding the phone at an angle. Test calls using speakerphone and a lightning headset to determine whether the earpiece is faulty. If the earpiece still underperforms, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostic testing and possible earpiece replacement service.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.